Hi guys, as you guys can see, I have so many groceries here that I need to put away, and I thought about doing a stock in the fridge video with you guys. Everything is from HEB and Costco, so I have a ton of stuff to do. I'm just gonna get straight into it, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm so surprised we didn't go in for freezer stuff, but that's it for now. The things that Tootie loves to reach, I love to put all the way at the bottom.
Come here, let me hold it. Just walk on this. This is like, was we?
So guys, that is it for now. I still have to grab some more stuff to stock up some more. The rest of this stuff is all for the pantry. Some of this stuff is household items, but I will do this video tomorrow because your girl is tired. It's late, and yeah.